You won't believe what I found here. This at 643 First Avenue. I found a manually controlled Westinghouse elevator. This is my very first one I've ever ridden.
Oh, look, it's here. Hey, when do you want to start? You filming now?
Yes.
Okay.
Now I'm going. That's right, we got old, vintage Westinghouse.
It is vintage.
Just gotta close the door, close the inside gate.
And the safety gate.
Let's go down. This is awesome. Old Westinghouse.
I take his picture. You would not believe how many elevators we've ridden on, so he could.
Is this the best one?
Yes, it's the oldest.
Did you see this Westinghouse?
Westinghouse Electric.
Yep.
Very old.
Very quiet.
It's the best.
Can you tell me when to stop?
Yes. Stop. Oop, we need to go up a little bit. Okay, stop. Perfect.
I'll open up the gate.
That's pretty cool.
Aiden, you're hired. Thank you for driving us. Just watch your step a little bit.
And
That's what my arms
under-leveled.
You get your exercise. Watch your head.
And I'm gonna close the inside gate.
I'll get it.
She's gonna get it.
Thank you, Aiden.
Close the gate.
No, I'm going right back in.
She's going back in it. Leave
I'm
it.
going right back in.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on post notifications. Also, this building has done a nice job keeping this elevator completely original.
It's rough on the drivers.